Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I'm doing a first impressions, product review, and demo of the KKW Mario Palette. And I'm pretty excited to try it out. I'm going to be trying on camera, so you guys are going to get my honest opinion and first impressions on this palette. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos. Now, let's get to the video. So I'm excited to try this palette because I've seen all over this beautiful blue. And I'm definitely going to be using this today, and let's see what happens. So I'm just going to get in a little closer so we can get started. Now that I'm a little bit closer to the camera, I'm going to start just putting a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder all over my eyelids, just to kind of take a little bit of the redness that I normally have. So far it's applying really smooth, and it is very pigmented. I'm putting just a little bit. It's very smooth so far, and it blends really well. I just put a little bit in the crease and just blend it into the lid, just to kind of add a little more dimension to the crease color. So I'm just gonna go straight to the blue, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid with my fingers. Wow, so far I really love it. This color is very unique, at least to my collection, you know. Let me know if you guys have something similar in your collection, and you can maybe comment below with dupes for people that don't want to get this palette. But wow, I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm gonna blend the edges of it with a little more of these. As I was blending the transition colors, just to kind of blend the blue, I lost a little bit of the colors. So let me do it again. Oh yeah, much better. I don't know how I feel about this eye corner. I'm gonna go with it, and just because I definitely want the blue to be the star of the show, and I'm gonna keep it like that. Now that I finished the other side, I'm just gonna do my foundation and all of my makeup, and I'll be back to finish the under eye. Now that I have my whole face done, I'm going to go back to the palette and finish my under eye and inner corner highlight. And I must say, with the brush, it did work really well. I'm going to try this little bit of the red at the very corner, so it will match more the eye look. I definitely liked it when it was just blue and I didn't do the corners, but you know, life is about taking chances and committing to them. So I'm committed to this look. Again, I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm just having fun. I think it'll look better once I put the mascara. This is what the final look looks like. This is the first impression video. From the colors I've used and the look I came up with, I really like it. I really do. I am happy I got this palette. Do you need this palette in your life? It's up to you, because I feel like a lot of people probably have these colors in their collection. This blue though, I must say I don't. I have other blues I've purchased recently, and I think a lot of the newer palettes are coming up with pops of color, but they're different than this one. I think this is also a good palette for people that are starting. It's easy to work with. It did blend out really well. There was some fallout, but nothing crazy, and so I think it's a really good palette. I'm happy I got it. I'm excited to try out the other colors on this palette. I'm excited to try this purplish color. I'm probably going to do other tutorials of this palette soon. So yeah, let me know, what are your thoughts? Did you like the look that I came up with? Do you have anything similar on your collection that you can, you know, suggest dupes down below? Or are you gonna get this palette? Let me know. I'm really curious to know, and I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.